Hello, hello, hello. Hello, good morning students. Myself is Kanti sir, taking mathematics in 10th English medium. As you know, we just going to end of this lesson. Chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, with 2 or 3 sums left. And these are word problems. So first of all, you have to understand well what is being asked, what is given, how many questions are asked. So accordingly, you have to first of all form AP and then list of all variables symbolic. Okay. Now, look at number 19. We already solved number 18. Now number 19, one figure also given there, and otherwise by reading statements you can understand 200 blocks are stacked in the following manner. So total 200 stacks are there. Stacks means 200 logs are stacked. Logs means a piece of wood. Wooden piece, long and bulky, is known as log. 20 logs in the bottom row, then 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. So means one is decreased. Okay, so first one will be 20, second will be 19, and third will be like this. And total of all logs is given 200. So means SN given. Now what to find? In how many rows are there? 200 logs placed. So SN is given 200. We have to find N. How many rows? First row, first term, second row, second term. Okay. And how many logs are in the top row? And in the top row, how many are there? So mean AN and SN both are asked. AN and SN. Okay. So first of all, AP is found and number of logs forms AP. So number of logs in different rows forms AP. 20, 19, 18, 17, like this. So obviously, we return AP, so means we are having A and D. So write down A and D. So A equal to 20, D equal to minus 1, A2 minus A1. Whenever progression is decreasing, at that time D is always negative. Now they given SN equal to 200. Okay, what is asked? N is asked and AN is asked. You know, first of all, we have to find N. Without N, we cannot find anything. Okay. So, our purpose is to find N. Now look there. Just see one by one. In first one, AN and N both are unknown. So, first one is not applicable here. Now look at second one. In second one, except N, everything is there. Third one also not applicable by N and AN not given. So only second one is applicable here. And you also know, whenever we want to find N from SN formula, at that time we have to solve quadratic equation, because after placing value in the SN formula, we will have quadratic trinomial. So we have to factorize it, and after factorization only we can have N's value. Okay. So now we first of all write formula and place all values. Now N not given but SN given 200. N only 2, A is 20, N minus 1 will be N minus 1 only, and D is minus 1. Just set it here. So it becomes 400 because going to multiplication.
So now n
40 minus.
n plus 1.
Why? Minus plus minus and then minus minus plus 1 1 is 1. Okay. So now look there. 400 is
Equal to n
41 minus n. Now just open that bracket. 400 41n minus n square. Now you know, I already told you many times that quadratic equation should be in standard form and first term should be positive. In quadratic equation, before factorization, you have to arrange so that it becomes in standard form. Standard form means what? All terms at one side and 0 at opposite side. And first term should be positive. So we shift both these terms here only. Okay?
So it becomes n square.
Minus 41n plus 400.
Okay, so I just
Arrange them also. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Sorry. Ax square plus bx plus c. Otherwise an square plus bn plus c. Now you just look here. 400. And once I told you whenever a is 1 at that time, we orally also factorize it. We can find factors orally also. Okay, so we try first of all, try directly. 400 two factors. So take 400 two factors so that their sum becomes 41. Now again we go to dip like this, 5 into 4, 5 into 4. Okay. Now before going to many other factors, just try here. Just make pair this way because 20 and 20 already there. So don't make pair of 20 and 20 but slight different way. So this 5 5 are 25, 4 4 is 16. Now just look there. Whether they give some 41? Yes. 25 plus 16 41. So we got two factors of 400 are 25 and 16 so that their sum becomes 41. If last term is plus, sum should be middle term, and if last term is minus, then factors difference should be middle term. Okay. So now just write how to write directly factors. First of all, write that variable. Write that variable x, y, whatever n. Now write down both factors. 25, 16. What we want? Minus 41. So obviously minus 25 minus 16 should be there. Both signs should be equal. Why? Addition means what? Same sign. Okay. So minus 25 minus 16 gives 41. So n minus 25 equal to 0 or n minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore n equal to 25, n equal to 16. Now before many lectures I just given you taught you that n should be positive integer. If you are having one positive integer and other fraction or negative number, then you have to take that positive number. And if at that time I told you, if two positive numbers you got, then you have to take both numbers as an answer. But this is a somewhat real problem, word problem. So in word problem only take first integer, smaller integer only, not bigger integer. Okay. So here we have to take answer as a 16. Why? Because if in 16th row, after 16th row, all logs will be used. So after using all logs, how to proceed for 17th row or 18th row? That is not possible. Okay. So practically that is not possible to take here 25. If it might be given directly without any word problem or related to any real problem, then we can give both answer. But here we can give only first answer. Means n equal to 16 as an answer only. Okay. So just so there are just write there are 16 rows. Total 16 rows. Okay. They have given they asked two answers. First answer we got. How many rows? 16 rows. Now, how many logs will be there on the top row? How many logs will be there on the top row? So, we have to find AN also. Okay, again just understand this sum. This is quite repeating. I think third or fourth times we are solving the SN formula in reverse way. Means factorization in quadratic trinomial. Now, after finding it, just find A. So I just writing there only AN. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 B. Now write down all values. N we got 16. So use that also. So A equal to 20, 16 minus 1 and D is minus 1. D we always place in the bracket only. So now it is 20, 15 minus 1. So 20 plus minus minus 15. So last row having 5 rows. So write down last row having 5 logs. Okay. In top row only 5 logs will be there. Okay. So in this test of word problem, you first of all understand question well. It is not symboling everything is given. You just select any one formula, place value, simplify and get answer. Because somewhat this is quite applied level question. Applied level. Applied level means your knowledge should be applied at particular problems, real problems. Okay. So first of all we have to understand what is the problem, how to analyze it. After analyze of that problem, we just apply our knowledge. Okay, and accordingly get answer and give answer in statement form. When your word problem is there, word problem is verbal sum. At that time you have to give your answer always in the statement. Okay. Now look at next one. It is again of this type. You first of all read at least twice or thrice. Then only you understand. Okay. So just understand it well. Question number last 20. Hint also given. You just read hint also. This was number 19. Potato race given. A bucket is placed at the starting point. This is 5 meters from the first potato. Bucket is 5 meters far from the first potato. And the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So you understand first of all what is the arrangement. Line of potatoes given and one bucket is given at starting point. After starting first bucket 5 meters far first potato is given. Then 3 meters far second potato is given. Then again 3 meters far third potato is given. So same way 3 meter distance next numbers potatoes are given. Okay, and first gap is of 5 meters. Now how to collect that potatoes? So first that person, that girl have to pick first potato and keep it in the bucket only. At a time she cannot take 2 potatoes. Only first potato she has to collect, pick out and then place in the bucket only. After putting in bucket, she has to go for another potato. Okay, so that is the rule. Now what they are asking. Okay, so same way where is last potato? 10. So total 10 potatoes are there. Put there, a competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? What is the total distance that competitor has to run? So, first of all, we try to write series, arithmetic progression. Okay. So, not we are writing directly. First few statements we have to write here. So, write C runs. Otherwise, distance he has to travel for collecting first potato. Distance travel for first potato.
For picking
First potato, how much he has to run? Obviously, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. Okay, so it is 10. Why 10? 5 plus 5. 5, 10 meter. Okay, distance given in meter only. Now, for second one, he has to come up to this point. It is 5 plus 3, 8 meter far. So, distance traveled for second potato equal to, how much it is? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 8, 16. So, 8 plus 8, 16 meter. Same way, distance traveled for collecting or picking third potato. So, at that time, 5 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, up to this distance only. Up to this point. Okay, so it will be 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 to the 20. So 11 plus 11, 22 meters. Now no need to write further more steps because they are enough. We already know it is arithmetic progression and difference is 6, 6, 6. Means 6 is increased. Okay. So therefore, distance travel for picking up potatoes from AP. So this distance is from AP and that is 10, 16, 22 like this. You can write next 28 also because you know it is the 6 difference. Now write down symbolic list here. A is 10, B is 6. Put there. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? N equal to 10 given. That is given in statement only. Now what should be total distance he has to travel for collecting all 10 potatoes? Means Sn, S10 is asked. So obviously we have to use formula of Sn only. Not third one because last distance is not here given, not we found. Okay. So use second formula Sn n by 2 2a
plus n minus 1.
d. Now n is 10, 2, a is 10, okay, a is 10, n also 10, plus 10 minus 1 9 and difference
Is of 6.
okay, all values are placed. So this is 5, 20 plus 54. So 5 into 74. Okay, so 74 into 5, 5 for the 20, 2, 5 7 the 35, 37. Now give answer. Whatever they ask, just give third statement to them only. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So write down total distance competitor has to run is 370 meters. Otherwise, she has to run 370 meters to collect total 10 potatoes. Okay, statement you can write. I am not writing here. Okay, in your own language. Otherwise, last statement only just give it in affirmative sentence. Say given is in question form. Okay. So now I think that is over. So questions are of different types, but based on few formula only. Now I am giving you few more formula to you. Okay, this was last number, question number 20. I just forgot to write here question number. Okay, now sum of first n positive integers. Extra some formula, sum of first n positive integers or n natural numbers. Natural number means you know positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually that is not new, but for objective question for fast calculation you have to remember it. Otherwise you can derive also that. Sum of first n natural numbers, so just n will be n only, a will be 1, a will be 1 and b also 1 because our series will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, so we can derive that question also. But now onwards you will remember it, so that first you can give your answer in objective question. Suppose I can use SN formula in I here talking about first n natural number means positive integers. So obviously n will be n, a will be 1 and d will be 1, difference also 1.
So it will
Be n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1, 2 plus n minus 1. Now n by 2 and here n plus 1, n plus 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so sum of first n natural numbers will be n by 2 n plus 1. Now if I tell find sum of first 100 positive integers or 100 natural numbers, then obviously 100 by 2, 50 into 101. So 50 into 101, whatever you get, that is the sum of first 100 numbers. Okay. Now, sum of first n odd numbers. Now we are not taking all numbers, only few. Means just like this, 1, 3, 5 like this, 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay. How many numbers? N. N number. Last term will not be n. Here last term will be n and number of terms also n. Here last term will be n. But last term will not be n, but number of terms will be n. So now same way, here first term is 1 only. First term is 1, but difference will be 2. Difference will be 2. I now writing for number 5. So obviously this will be 2n minus 2. Okay, I just make changes here only. A is 1, n is n, but b is instead of 1, 2. So 2n minus 2, 2 to cancel. So here left n only. Okay,
sorry.
2n only. So now 2 to cancel.
So n square.
Left. Okay, so it will be n square. If I tell find sum of first 10 odd numbers, first 10 odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Sum of all 10 numbers. What will be? Obviously 10 square 100. You just verify it. Okay. Now next, just like this, sum of first n even number. Again, look here. First term will be 2. gap will also be 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to n terms. Okay. So first term will be 2. Difference also 2. Okay. First term 2, difference 2. Now try to simplify it. So n
by 2.
4 plus 2n minus 2. 4 plus 2n minus 2.
So n by 2.
2n plus 2. Why? 4 minus 2 plus 2.
Now take
2
common.
Take 2. Now 2 cannot be cancelled, but
Now
it can be cancelled after taking common from the bracket. So it becomes n plus 1. So here Sn becomes n plus 1. Okay, just like double of this. Divide by 2 is not given here. Okay, so you just compare this one also. Okay, so these are few more formulas, actually not new. We just derive few results from our main formula. So not new. Okay, and in objective this is also used frequently. An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so you just use that also in the objective. Okay.